Hi there, asa खालामो नोंसोरो बयबो मोजाङैनो दङ। बेयो रिभिजन चैप्टारनि पार्ट 2 भिडिअ। पार्ट 1 भिडिअखौ नायाखैबा नायग्रोदो, बेनिफ्राय बे पार्ट 2 भिडिअखौ नायफैदो। भिडिअखौ मोजां मोनोबा लाइक खालाम, बेनिफ्राय कमेन्ट सेक्सनाव लिरनानै हो। जोङो पार्ट 1 आव 01 निफ्राय 07 एक्सारसाइजखौ खालामदों, बेनिफ्राय नैबे पार्ट 2 आव जोङो 08 निफ्राय 017 एक्सारसाइजखौ खालामगोन। Alright, let us begin. दानिया 8 खौ खालामनि गोरलै खालाम square root of 10 into square root of 5 बेनिफ्राय होखानाय दं नै square root of 2 equal to 1.41 जायोब्ला मोननाय अनजिमानि थि मान मा जागोन? Okay, so square root of 10 into square root of 5. Okay, जों बेखौ लिरनो हायो बेखौ square root of 10 into 5 लिरनो हायो ना? Okay, now easy. बे 10 को बोफ्लायदो 2 into 5 बेनिफ्राय नैबे 5 होमबा मा जाखो बेलाय? This is equal to 2 into 5 square ना? So this is equal to square root of 2 into square root of 5 square. Okay, so square root of 5 square actually 5. Now square root of 2 दंखायो बेसेबां 1.4. This is 1.41 into 5. So this is actually 5 sanjaba 0.7. This is the answer. Okay, बेबायदि मोनोबा बेखौ सानजाबनानै सिङाव दोननो हायो नैबेबायदि। बेनिफ्राय बोफ्लायबा मा मोनो 10 खौ सिफायबा मा मोनो 10 2 into 5 5 5 स्क्वायर जायोना, बेखायनो square को square root खालामबा 5 मोनगोन बेबावनो मोनबाय। Okay, all right, we'll move on to next. Okay, 9 को खालामदो। 9 easy, 9 को आं खालामनाय नङा। Okay, बेनिफ्राय 10 को खालामनि। 10 okay, गोजोन आं मोननैसो खालामगोन 10 आव। Okay, first को खालामनानै खोन्थानि easy थार बेयो। 2 को खालामगोन। Okay, square root of 3 minus square root of 2 whole square. This is basically a minus b whole square na. So this will be whole square, right? Minus 2ab. What is our a is root of 3. Then b is square root of 2 plus b square. This is square. So this is how much? This is actually 3. Okay, this is 2 sanjaba 6. Okay, plus this is 4. Okay, so this is 7 minus 2 root of 6. This is the answer. All right. Okay, so this is done. Now we go continue. Easy. This is 2, then square root of 3 plus square root of 5. Then into 2 square root of 3 minus square root of 5. If you assume this is A, then this is B. Again, this is A, this is B. So B margin is well. This is actually A plus B into A minus B, which is actually A square minus B square. Correct? Because you use kalangan level. So this is A, B, A, B. So A square minus B square. So 2 root 3 square minus B square, 5. So this is how much? Because square, B square. So 4 into 3 square square tambah na B square, B4 minus B Because square root to is by 5. Okay. So 12 minus 5 equal to 7. Alright, easy. Very easy, right? Okay. Alright, next so go này một bộ việc khổ interesting bộ luôn. Iko kalam nan này, an iko kalam ni, okay? 4 ko 4 4. 4 ko kalam nan này ni de. Number 4 will do. We'll do this number 4. Anyway. Okay, so 1 by 1 plus this. Be exam of ide no bayang. Makasi question paper no bayang exam. Okay. So this is what because in nebiku spike nare simplify kalang nang kanya ni bikayo ang 1 minus root 2 jeng multiply kalang mane nebi square odin na gada a square minus b square formula odin gana a plus b a minus b b formula o mane ni na gada nang kanya ma kalang unang kayo bijeng niko sanja punang. Okay, so this will be what a plus root 2 ujung tu 1 extra sanjam na ganda nang ni majagan 1 minus root 2 in what I want say 1 plus root 2 square root 2 into extra dengan ni 1 minus square root 2 ni ko extra dengan nang ko jolin nang ko 1 minus square root 2. Okay, then I will formula tong by so je we kemarin lin agan 1 square minus root 2 square na ko juga bini multiply ekiana 1 minus root 2. Okay, so this is equal to what ko jo change saya 1 minus square root 2 kayo this is 1 then kayo mana here then by 2. Okay, so this is actually what minus 1 1 minus root 2. Okay, so this is simplify kalang wa kuma kalang kon minus yang sanja wa mamun plus root 2 minus 1 is the answer. Okay, plus root 2 minus 1 is the answer. Okay, ini play madung wa ye ida gila kama yeah bisa ko kalam na nai de kaswe easy so tabi same procedure. Okay, biko kalam na nai okay easy before easy tar it will easy it's almost same. Okay, ini play madung wa Ini ko kalam ni Perman kalam di this equal to 0. Very interesting. Element ko ni ha. Element ko kalam ni element ko kalam na ni. Okay, let us work on element. Perman kalam di 1 by 2 plus square root of 3 plus 2 by square root of 5 minus square root of 3 plus 1 by 2 minus square root of 5. Beko aku simplify kalau nunggu beko okay yep a minus a square minus b square formula then aja ha so 1 divided by 2 plus root 3 plus 2 divided by root 5 minus root 3 plus 1 by 2 minus root 5. You have to prove this. So left hand side check lagi ni. Okay. Beko ang sanjapkin okay 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 kaya wo 2 minus root 3 ini plus tungo 2 into root 5 minus root 3 bracket ini yang p minus tungo to plus yang kalam ganang root 5 minus root 3 p minus to plus kalam ganang ko p plus t 5 plus root 3 ini plus tungo kaya siyang 2 minus root 5 tungo then kujo 1 nung kaya miko makalang mo ng 1 into p minus mo to plus taga ng 2 plus root 5 2 plus uh, sorry square root of 5 na square root of 5 okay kelihatan then yung makalang din b square jaga na a square minus b square b a b okay bago yung na change aja 2 minus square root of 3 kaya na jagan 2 square minus root 3 square okay when you plus tungo yung 2 tungo but 2 into root 5 plus root 3 magkaya mo na root 5 square minus root 3 square right pinipredyo magkaya tungo tanah video pi tanan ni tungo this one is 2 plus square root of 5 a square minus square root of 5 again square okay so this is how much this is 2 minus square root of 3 divided by 4 minus by 3 arbele ito binitagan into square root of 5 plus square root of 3 okay kaya jagan 5 minus 3 then plus yeah, now 2 plus square root of 5 kaya 4 minus 5 okay no more space then I be ba ani ulit gande biasa by we 1 ane tingkai ni bi jagan 2 minus square root of 3 once in a life Dibini prai bijagan dana plus Bikayo jagan 2 correct kayo jagan 2 kujo jagan 2 dongo into madongo square root of 5 plus square root of 3 okay square root of 5 plus square root of 3 okay then plus nibe bina sabay plus na nin minus kayo jagan ding minus 1 square root of 2 plus square root of 5 okay okay tanan na yun eh be cancel sabay na okay so let me erase kamu na aja kagila let me erase some of this okay okay all right so ba biasang nazay by 2 minus root 3 nibo plus tungo root 5 plus root 3 nibo minus yung nga so it becomes to minus 2 again ini prenibo minus root 5 again okay then another 2 cancel this cancel this also cancel so 0 equal to right hand side okay prove Alright, okay. This is like a judging, but we are able to solve it. So this is the proof. Okay. Alright. Then yeah, next yung mga dong next 7 ko 11 ko kalam biling 12 12 ko munci kalam unang, but if you know one 12 ko kalam ni okay. 12 babu interesting. Number 12. Square root of 3 equal to 1.732, comma, square root of 2 equal to 1.414. Omna kaini bitaw perni ti mandihun. Okay. 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 Alright. So, ini ko kalau ni. 1 divided by square root of 3 minus square root of 2. Okay, jeng bebaji thaiba ma kalamnangko simplify kalamnangko ba. Beje expression no na because ng ni be formula kalambai tha. Square minus b square formula. A plus b na into a minus b. Base be formula out din ni takai naja. Angkai ni ba minus na plus extra let kena sing kalam. So square root of 3 minus square root of 2 into maybe minus no to plus lah bukan angka hiau. 3 minus root 2 number extra way na plus angka ini ko jom calculate po. Okay. Number gaya na jagan formula po na mi. Ini formula root 3 square minus square root 2 square. Okay, b ko jom na bidin si plus root 2. So this is equal to what? 3 minus 2, so root 3 plus root 2, dan ko ba mo 1 man gan. So this is actually root 3 plus root 2. This is the answer. Okay. Right. Pekule. Dan yung mga ding value kanito mo. Value kanito sanjam na gana. Plus kalam ko. Root 3 o siyang tong nga 1.732 plus root 12 1.414. So this is equal to how much? 446 4 11.22 is become 3. Okay. Kung dasab din. Yung kanitong value kanitong ni kalam we ko plus kalam we ko marilagay di. Okay. So 3.146 1.732 plus 1.414 ikut dasab ba? Payment again. Alright. Okay. Iko kalam PB easy ang lenan ni sire simplify kalam B ni answer na again 2 root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2 then root 3 minus root 2 iko kalam. Okay. Meja ini 2 ni. Iko kalam. Okay. Simplify kalam. You will get the answer. Alright. Then is in our next 12 ko kalang boy. Ito easy 30 na nature kalam de kalam ni ang mutsi hindi kage na. And so one example niko 25 kalam ni okay easy 13 ni nimbu kalau mana. So this is 7 by 25 to kayau 100 nungaba 1000 nungaba 10,000 kalamno najananggo are hombane ko solve kalami. Makayau 7 25 kayau 100 ba munaba majin kalamnagin 4 in sanjamnagin na 4. Okay, gojo kayau 4 in sanjaba gojo 4 in sanjam. Okay, so kayau mun by 100 gojo 7 4 into 28 na. So now you can write easily. So 0.28. Okay, 0.28. Alright, very simple. Number 2 ko harmonia. Example. We were easy and we have 3 by 40. Because yung 100 mo na kaya, ang ganit 1,000 ni ko naza. 1,000 ho ba majang mun galing. Majang sanja ba 1,000 na gan. 40 ko majang sanja ba 1,000 na gan. Huh? So A will be what? 1,0,0,0,40, 25, right? So 25 in sanjam nanganya. So this will be 40 into 25. So 3 into 25. Okay? Because kaya 25 na ni ko jauh kaya mo jangan which will become 1,000, right? This becomes 1,000 naman na 0, 20 to 8,000. So biya bisang 75. So bikuran pa ma'am ganyan. So 0.075. Okay, 0.075. Okay, so basic ko kalau itu easy tar. This is actually what 0.03 no. Biko kalam na naiti. Okay, ang kalam lang. All right, we'll move on. 13 ko kalam ho je. Kaini जो खंड पर क बखाव खंड फरमान. Yes, ये तो simple ना. Bini जो खंड को kalau buka pondok denan ba biko divide kalam nama. So this is actually 53 by 100. Okay, buka pondok ba bibe 100 gayeng 100 biko bukas ko 100 yang divide kalam. Okay, 100 yang divide kalam mana jeng kasih divide biko 100 yang divide kalam. Okay, mana jeng buka pondok ngan. Kaini bekau kanda perkau jau kanda permai. Just multiply by 100. Okay, 100. Be exam puye, bebe puye. One mark ni puye. Kasi we ko 100 jeng multiply kalam. Okay, easy terpsiri. Alright. Ini try madung baye. 16. Mabiba money 10% mulam payau pannai jabai. Okay. Mini binary patient are pannai patient ni rujutayama ratio. Rujutai means ratio di hanatende. Meni patient nanggo ho moche pannai ni patient oमफ्राय moche binary ni patient. Pannai ni be nanggo but agalo jangan purchase ni nanggan. Mulaba muani mulam payo pannai jabai. Bini binary patient are pannai patient. Purchase be nanggo oमफ्राय selling be nanggo. Sell. Many patient meni sell price and purchase price. Ha? जोङो ओंखायनो बबेबा मोनसेखौ लाग्रोदो. Percentage मोनदों मुलाम्फा जादों ओंखायनो purchase निखौ लादो. Let purchase price equal to X. Purchase price equal to X लायोबा मा होनदों Benih 10% मुलाम्फा लादों interest the profit. So the profit will be how much? Profit will be x into 10% na 10% को बिजे लेफिनाय हा बुखाव खन्दाव लेनांगौ percentage जों multiply खालामनाया हा बेखौ बुखाव खन्दाव दिहुननांगौ नोंखायनो 10% को बुखाव खन्दाव दिहुनदो 10% को बेखौ बुखाव खन्दाव दिहुनग्रोनांगौ so 10 will become 10 divided by 100 okay बुखाव खन्दाव लाबोफिननांगौ होमबासो जों multiply जायो multiply खालामनाय okay बुखाव खन्दाव लाबोफिन बा this is how much x into 0.1 okay so this is 0.1x is the profit होमबा selling price आ बेसेबां जागोन selling price will be what purchase price plus profit right purchase price आ बेसेबां x selling profit आ बेसेबां मोनदों 0.1 x so this is actually x 1 plus 0.1 so this is actually 1.1 okay this is our selling price what is the ratio ratio जादों purchase price and selling price नि गेजेराव ना बेनि गेजेराव ratio दिहुननांगौबा मा जागोन होमबा purchase price is what purchase price is x selling price is 1.1x okay this is a ratio so x cancel मा मोनखो 1.1 बेखौ जोङो simplify खालामबाय सानजाबबा मा मोनगोन गोजौआव 10 गाहायाव 10 सानजाबबा 1 0 गाहायाव 10 सानजाबबा 1 1 this is the ratio okay all right 17 को खालामनि 30 बिदैनि बायनाय बेसेन माने दाउदै मोन 20 बिदैनि फाननाय बेसेननि समान मुलाम्फानि जौखोन्दो हारा मा percentage दिहुननांगौ okay तो 30 दाउदै दङ ओमफ्राय हमनानै लादो दाउदै दैसेनि दामा 1 rupee okay होमबा बे 30 rupees बे 30 rupeesआनो फाननाया बेसे 20 दाउदैल' फानदों बेनिफ्राय बेसेबांनि फानदों जों मिथिया x लाबाय that means बेयो मारै जादों 30 rupees equal to 20 into x x is the price selling price okay होमबा दाउदै दैसेया बेसेबां फानामोन होमबा x equal to how much 30 divided by 20 cancel 1.5 1.5 नि बियो selling price फानदों आरो बे फाननाय this is selling price बेनिफ्राय 1 rupee जों लाखादोंमोन purchase price what is the profit profitआ बेसे profit will be 1.5 minus 1 we purchase नैबे selling तो 0.5 माने 50 पैसा लाब जादों आरो दाउदै दैसेयाव now what is the percentage will be what 1 rupeeआव 0.5 मोनदों 100आव बेसेबां मोनगोन this will give you percentage okay so this will be 50% this is the answer गाव हमनानै लानांगौ आरो हमनानै लादो दाउदै दैसेनि दामा 1 rupees 1 rupee 30 दाउदै नङा 30 rupees बेनिफ्राय 30 rupees खरसा जादों बे 30 rupeesआ 20 दाउदै फानबानो बियो मोनफिनदों आरो बे 30 rupees होमबा 20 into x जों मिथिया selling priceखौ मिथिया जोङो purchase priceखौ 1 rupee लाखाबाय selling priceखौ मिथिया ओंखायनो x लादों okay this x is assumption. So what is X? X ko muna singa 1.5 rupees. Okay, 1.5 selling price. Share ang ni baydeng 1.5 rupees ni fund ba 50 paisa लाभ जादों नहीं 50 पैसा 1 रुपया 50 पैसा लाभ जायोबा 100 rupees बेसेबां लाभ जागोन multiply by 100 you get 50%. 50% is the answer. बेनो जाबाय जौखोन्दो percentage. Okay, all right. Hello. Part 2 भिडिअखौ बेयावनो फोजोबनाय जाबाय नङाबा लावद्रायोना भिडिअआ गोलाव जाद्रायो माखासे थानाय एक्सारसाइजफोरखौ पार्ट 3 भिडिअआव बानायनाय जागोन अन्नानै नेबाय थादो दिनैनि भिडिअखौ मोजां मोनदोंबा लाइक खालाम कमेन्टबो लिरनानै हरदो टेक केयार बाय